In this video, we are going to share about the most innovative personal transports. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and I'll guarantee you'll surely love this. Let's get started. Number 5. HYPAR Smart Boat. HYPAR is a modular smart boat that can be quickly transformed from a kayak to a rowing boat, a sailing boat, or even a solar-powered motorboat. Its innovative hull shape ensures high speed and stability, while the innovative folding design allows for complete conversion from boat to backpack in less than 5 minutes. HYPAR is well suited to a variety of environments, from open ocean to streams narrow, and can survive in wind and breakage, wave situations despite an elegant and modern profile. Number 4. Super Kayak. Creating a portable and safe kayak has been on designer Kirk Kirchev's mind for years, and the Super Kayak is a result of his hard work. The vessel is modular and stable with a pair of inflatable aramid fiber hulls contoured into its core. The hulls are polyurethane coated to prevent puncture and combined with anodized aluminum alloy frame. They create a slim, streamlined boat with effortless glide. A 4-piece pallet and a portable electric pump complete the kit, which can be packed in a convenient bag for easy packing and transport. The kayak is 12 feet long and 3 feet wide when assembled and can be inflated and assembled in about 4 minutes. Number 3. Flyky Smartped. The Smartped is a kick-assist electric bike designed to move effortlessly around town. It has an intelligent hybrid electric motor that can fully control via a smartphone app, and its Z-Hus all-in-one electric motor guarantees a range of 30 kilometers and up to 1 kilometer with just one kick. The BitRide smartphone app gives you full control over battery life and top speed. The foldable design makes it extremely comfortable to carry wherever you go. The technology behind the electric motor ensures a safe and comfortable ride without any pushing for at least 1 kilometer. If you want to personalize your experience, you can simply change the settings through the BitRide smartphone app. Number 2. Yak ATV. Russian engineer Edwin Luzianin assembled the Yak ATV, a simple track off-road motorcycle. Yak, or homyak, which means hamster in Russian, takes its name from the rodent because of its outward resemblance of the animal, as well as its unprecedented mobility. The 150cc gasoline engine powers the Yak through a combination of a drive shaft and a chain drive. The track comes from snowmobiles and has fully integrated damper rollers. Its top speed is 43 kilometers per hour, 27 miles per hour, but due to the lack of suspension, some say that it might get a little tricky at that speed. In fact, the recommended speed is 20 kilometers per hour, 12.3 miles per hour. It weighs a total of 85 kilograms, 187 pounds, and can fit in the trunk of any car. Number 1. GoCycle. GoCycle is an electric bicycle manufactured by Carbon Kinetics Limited, a company founded in 2002 by Richard Thorpe, who set out to create the best urban electric bicycle in the world. Thorpe is an industrial designer who previously worked for McLaren Racing Car Company. The GoCycle has interchangeable quick-release wheels, fully enclosed chain, gears and cables, cast magnesium frame and wheels, and a flatbed storage and transport system, where the bike folds up and can be transported in a carrying case. The electric motor is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The GoCycle G2 entered the market in 2012 and became the first production electric bike to feature Bluetooth connectivity. And that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Sound off your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you within the next video.